Hello, welcome to the Bible Flicks. Thank you for joining me as we read aloud with Zuzu. Today's storybook is called John Sieska's Trucktown Trucksgiving with Ready to Roll Level 1 by John Sieska. Many years ago, the first trucks came to Trucktown. They scooped dirt. They dumped dirt. They mixed cement and they made roads. They built Trucktown, ye old Trucktown, and they saw that it was good. They wanted a way to say thanks to every truck that helped. They wanted a way to celebrate every year. Let's spray water, said the first fire truck. Let's smash garbage, said the first garbage truck. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, said the first ice cream truck. I've got it, said the first jack. Every year we should have a Trucksgiving race. And that is just what the trucks do. At this time every year, happy Trucksgiving. The end. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's Bible Flick story. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Tune in next time. Bye.